I'm going to show you how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024, in 2025, in this bull market. Now, a lot of you, depending on when you're watching this, by the way, don't believe we are in a bull market yet. Right now, I'm making this video in end of 2023. It's almost November 2023. And many of you claim we are not in a bull market, yet we are in a bull market. Just bear with me, let me explain my thesis so I can tell you how to make money in 2024, 2025, what's the best play, and how to potentially become a millionaire. See, we called the bottom of the last bear market perfectly on this channel. We even won a bet with worldwide trader Gareth Soloway. We called 15.6K. And we also said that in hindsight, people are going to say that the bottom is in the beginning of 2023, while we called it before it even happened. And we were correct. We were correct about 15.6K. We were correct about the hindsight evaluation. Now, since then, Bitcoin has more than doubled its price. We are currently at around $34,000, and we'll probably hit our target of $40,000 to $50,000 this year, by the end of this year. Now, we may go back down, we may retrace, we may have dips, but basically, this is a bull market. The problem is how you define a bull market. Many people don't know how to define a bull market, but generally speaking, I'll tell you this, we broke the levels we needed to break. Bitcoin is in an uptrend. It's more than doubled its price. We're in a bull market. But pay attention here, because according to me, the bull market comes in 3 stages. The first stage we're already in. It's the disbelief phase where Bitcoin slowly climbs and goes up suddenly and doubles its price, like what just happened. The second stage in the 4-year cycle, the second stage is the Bitcoin halving, or around the Bitcoin halving, where Bitcoin becomes more scarce, it's more difficult to mine, and Bitcoin tends to go up, at least historically. That said, quick note here, Bitcoin will probably go up a few months after the halving, not on the day of the halving, just so you can keep in mind. Most people like, see, the halving happened and it's not going up. If that happens, just bear in mind, give it a few months. Now, the third part of the bull market is actually split in 2, and this is what I have to explain to people. Hey, Paul here, real quick. This video you're watching is not sponsored, so I guess it's sponsored by me. So if you want to work with me one-on-one or check out my courses, they're actually linked down below this video, where you can also find some valuable free webinars just for you. Please like this video, and let's get back to the video you were watching. End of 2024, 2025, Bitcoin goes up aggressively in the first part of the third bull market, or we have aggressive alt seasons. The second part of the third bull market, we have that hyper bull market where everything's going crazy, where your Uber driver used to talk about cryptocurrency, where everyone's retiring from work, everyone's telling their boss, watch your mouth, like the Kermit the Frog meme. But that's when we usually have a blow off top or a top of the market, if that makes sense. And that's when you need to take aggressive profits. So now that I've explained myself on what the bull market is and how it acts, let's see how we can take advantage of this so we can make a huge amount of profits and possibly become a millionaire by the end of the bull market. And the way you do that is very simple. Remember, in the bear market, we were taking profits because we were waiting for lower dips. Well, now in the bull market, what you want to do, you want to be buying cryptocurrency, but you want to be taking profits into Bitcoin. Hold up, let me explain so you understand why. See, if you look historically, even in bull markets, you have 20, even 30% dips, and that's on Bitcoin. Altcoins and cryptocurrencies, they tend to go down more. But it's a bull market, so this gets eaten up or bought up quickly, bringing you back to those current prices, then beyond. And that's why you want to be taking profits into Bitcoin, because you can actually use that Bitcoin to buy altcoins on dips, but still be exposed to cryptocurrency. Plus, if an ETF happens or if anything happens, you still hold Bitcoin. If a world crisis happens and you believe the narrative of Bitcoin, you are holding Bitcoin. So basically you're accumulating Bitcoin and you're stacking sats. Now, let me explain something because a lot of people get confused about this. A lot of people get wrecked. When I say take profits, I don't mean sell your position, exit all markets. What I mean is take profits. Literally. So for example, if you bought Solana on the lows, which I told you to do, which we talked about, let's say Solana gets to $400. What you want to do is you want to take your profits, 25%, maybe more, maybe even 50% of profits. So if you've made, I don't know, $5,000, you take $2,500 into Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Then you just wait, and when Solana potentially goes to $600, $700, you do the same thing with 25%, but you keep a small bag. Then, if it dumps and everything dumps, you buy back that Solana with your Bitcoin, and you have Bitcoin left. So now you have both. Then, of course, at the top of the market, you exit all markets. You keep a small bag just in case because you can never time it perfectly, and it will keep you in an anti-FOMO environment. You sell the top, you keep some Bitcoin, you have some bags of other cryptocurrencies left over as usual, and then you wait for the next bear market to be over. What you do not do is buy dips on the way down, which I was warning about so many times. People were buying the dips, it would go down lower, they would buy the dips, it would go down lower, they would buy the dips, and so on, right into the bear market. That's not how you make money. That's how you get wrecked. That's what everybody did. Now here you may ask, Paul, okay, this is all great, this is all fine. What's the top of the market? When do I sell? Is it the end of 24? Is it the end of 25? When will the top of the market be? And the answer to that is very simple. We don't know. Yes, we can look at historical information and guesstimate, but we don't know. What we do know is we can react with the charts when the time comes. So just like I called the top last time, and even the double top with a bottom at 30K before we enter the bear market, hopefully I'll be able to do it this time, but I can't project it from now. I'll have to see the charts, I'll have to get the feeling, I have to do my analysis, and of course I'll make a video warning you just like last time, just like the time before. So make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss that video. That said, make sure you watch this video here. You do not want to miss this video, or check out this video right here, recommended for you by YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.